Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is the channel where we teach you how to create generational wealth through trading, while managing risk. Let's get into it. Okay, so what we have here, let's take a look. Nas, where we started out the week. Let's take a look at what happened from last week. Zoom in a little bit. So you see here, it actually did. Let's go ahead and remove this Fibonacci arcs. So you see, price came right back down. We're looking at the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about Wednesday, it came right down into that imbalance that we were looking at, and then came back. See, we were left here with a no wick candle. Candle came back, and it just took off from there. Textbook entry had a nice confirmation right here with a solid daily close. Let's look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had a nice big candle confirmation, created a little imbalance right here. But once we got that confirmation, had a little pullback. Two candles. If you'd have got in anywhere here, it took off. You'd have been good. Let's actually take a look at and see what that Fibonacci, what that would have looked like coming from this area here. Yep. If you'd have got in anywhere down here, even up to like the middle of that candle, that's 4 hour. Got a couple confirmations here. Getting at a good discount, you would have probably had to get in somewhere around 13,660. I see we have that marked there for the daily for resistance. It punched through there. So that'd have been a good start. However, let's take a look at what we're going to be doing this week. Let's go. Again, it's the end of the month. It's May 28th. Got probably a couple of days of trading for the month's end, and then we'll see what's going to happen. But got a nice bullish candle, nice little wick on here. Probably get a nice little better wick. If we look at this weekly, we already started off a little bearish. It gapped up, I guess, from the weekend trading, and you see it's coming back down to fill up that gap right now. So if we're taking a look at that, go ahead, look here again. When it broke out, that 4 hour right there created an imbalance. Let's look at the hourly. Zoom out a little bit. So we got an imbalance it just created right here. Hold on, let's look at the new range. New range is here. Again, it gapped up, and actually we're gonna have to put the new range there. However, we see here we got a imbalance here, and it created a couple more imbalances on the hourly here and here. So right now I'd be looking for price to pull back at least into these two areas right here, and then keep pushing north. So I'll be looking for buys in this area. If in chance it does continue down, it'll probably go back to this area here. But I would be looking for a confirmation in one of these two areas here. Probably nice little hour to 4 hour close for a confirmation to show that it's going in the other direction. Right now, it's a waiting game. If you weren't already in this move, I wouldn't try to get into it. Definitely wait for the pullback. Again, you see it's covering right now, recovering from that gap up. Let's zoom out just a little bit and see, like on a monthly, where it would be going to. Somewhere around here. We've already broke that resistance right there. Let's look on a weekly. Come on, give it to me. There you go. There you go. So you see right here, we had a weekly candle. Let's make that yellow one. We had weekly resistance right there, and last week we broke that. So as you see, again, it just closed just above. It's probably going to pull back into those two imbalances and probably go to and probably through 14,923. So probably gonna get a nice, it's especially gonna get a nice couple of days or a day or two of bearish candles, and or it might happen in one day. I don't really know, but I would definitely guarantee that we got a nice little wick for this monthly candle. It's probably gonna make a nice little size wick. Got about 2 more days left of trading in the month. Leave a nice little wick, pull back, and then continue on up. And if not, we get a confirmation is going to continue back. Probably going to come back and fill some imbalances. I don't see anything right now. Only thing I can see right now is it's probably coming back down here to this area here for the pullback. So what's this area? 13,765. So yep, we have our new range now, and again, we have two imbalances that were made last week while the price was moving bullish. Looks like we had a nice another little imbalance over here, all the way down here to the left on May 17th. So other than that, that's what I'll be looking. I'll be looking for to pull back in this area, get a nice little confirmation for it to continue up, go to and through. Let's see if I'm looking at this right. This is the. I just put it back here. Again, we're trying to manage risk. I would put it back here to manage my risk. If you can get a buy, if you're going to do some buying, do it in this area right here. This is probably the best area to buy from. If it comes to here and then takes off, man. If you get a nice strong confirmation, 1 hour or 4 hour, definitely a 4 hour confirmation on a bearish and bullish candle, that would probably be a good entry point. I wouldn't fault you in entering at that point. Get a nice closure, 4 hour strong closure for confirmation that the momentum is changing, and hop into the market. However, I would wait for it to come all the way down to here. I love these setups where you get two imbalances and it pulls back into the second area here, gives me a nice confirmation, then takes off. And as you can see here, that's a nice discounted rate. If I take this here and move our range to here, it's even better. Again, I play on the safe side. Yeah, I played on the safe side here. Yeah, so that's the plan. Wait for it to come back into those two imbalance areas. Wait for confirmation. Wait for it to continue going to and through. This is 14,303. I think that's a great plan. If you're not already in the move, I would not be buying any higher than the 50% discount area here, somewhere about around 14. Let me give you a good number here. 14,044. Yeah, I would not be trying to buy anywhere earlier than that because you're paying a premium for that. Okay, let's go over here to gold. What was it last week? What does it look like? Okay. Again, we see prices moving into this area. Right now, we're still at a discount. If you could get in, I would get a nice little confirmation that it's still going down right now. We got a couple of bullish candles on the daily. It's a 4-hour. See it consolidating right here. And you see an imbalance. It may pull back to this imbalance before continuing down. May or may not. Yeah, I would look for, got a small range right here. Again, it's continuing to move down to this imbalance that it has down here. We have a gap. So let's clean this up and take a look at this. Go back to our monthly. Again, remember that we have probably about two good days of trading left in this month. We got a nice bearish candle right there. Got a nice little wick, so it may pull back, create a bigger wick, go back into that imbalance area that we saw earlier. Weekly, nice little bearish trend right here, showing bullish for the week so far. Same thing for your daily. Nice bearish trend. Looks like a nice little bullish area right here on a daily candle. So let's take a look at that. If on the daily, this is our new range here. Waking confirmation right here. It's giving me the blues, but somewhere around here. There you go. Okay, right there. So if I look there, that's our new range. 4-hour, looking like we have an imbalance here. And again, I told you we had another nice little imbalance here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it at least comes back up into this area here. Grab that imbalance and then keep on going south. Best place would probably be all the way up here. But this is our new range right here. You see it's consolidating in this area right here. We'll go back to the daily and zoom out a little bit. And again, I want to keep this area marked because I really think that there's a high probability that price will move back into that area where we have these gaps. Okay, so I moved this to the hourly, and it seems like that imbalance is just here, and we got a smaller one right here. So, and again, keep in mind that again, there's two days of trading left in this month, and more than likely it will either consolidate and stay here or get a little pullback and get a nice wick on it, and it'll pull back and make a wick for the beginning of the month and continue on down. That wick may come all the way back up here to what is this here, 2001, or it may just come right here to 1978. Either way, look forward to price to pull back, and then get some sell, and then sell from that point on down. Look for a nice, at least an hour to 4-hour confirmation. If you're depends on what time you're trading, but I would be looking for a nice hour to 4-hour confirmation before I would uh, get some sales in that area. Um, you could chance it and try to buy it back up to that area. I wouldn't. I would just wait. Just be patient. No move is a move. Just be patient and wait for price to come back here. Let's look at Japanese British pound yen. What did that look like this month? Let's go back out to the monthly. Nice strong close. It broke the this trend line at I had 171, 777. Looked like a daily resistance. Broke that daily resistance last week. And you see where it broke it last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we had our weekly resistance that it broke. I told you 171. Where this close? 171.76. I had 77 on the line. So broke that daily. You see it was consolidating a little bit. You got 1, 2 confirmations there. Let's look at that. Have a nice breaker structure here. Had a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle on the daily 4-hour. Had almost a doji twice for 4-hour candles. Didn't know what it wanted to do. Nice consolidation. Then you got your confirmation again right here. Price pulled back. If you'd have got your confirmation and waited for price to pull back anywhere, this is on the 4-hour. So let's go down to the 1-hour to zoom out. If you'd got your price anywhere, waiting for price to pull back, yeah, even if you'd have got here, probably would have been stopped out. Then you got another chance to get in right here. Nice confirmation. And then you set your, what is this? 42 pips. Could have set your stop loss back here. And again, it didn't have to be here. It could have been here. 60 pips. 21. So that's 3-1 right there. Or 2-1. Even still, you would have lost 1. And you had a 2-1. You'd have been somewhere a little bit above break even. Even if you'd have got stopped out. So again, that it's doing what it said it was gonna do last week. We got these areas here marked. Let's go ahead and clean this up and see where we're at now. So for the monthly, again, pretty bearish. Excuse me, pretty bullish for the month. Look like it could still go to there. Look like it's already broke this area right here on a monthly. I think it was more well defined on a weekly, if I'm correct. Yep. Nice break structure on the weekly. See a nice strong close daily, nice strong close above. Created, let's zoom in, created this imbalance right here on the daily. This is how you know, again, we're bullish, probably pull back and make a nice little wick daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. Looks like it cleaned it up pretty much. Still a little one left right here. So it's something to go to. And I guarantee you it's going to go there, touch it, and probably continue on. If I were you looking at this range here, This is my new range. Nice entry point right there. Get a nice little hour confirmation, 4-hour confirmation. See, boom, right there. There's the hour. I did that off the 4-hour. There's your hour confirmation. I'll probably pull right back into that area. Maybe 30-minute hour confirmation. You can. We're looking at an hour here. Again, this looks like it's already gone. You're just going to reach some support there. It's going to probably bounce back and then continue on down. But even there, you set that, that's like 16 pips. What's that? 1678. What's that? It's at least 4-1, 5-1, 4-1, 5-1. I mean, those are still good odds. However, I'd be looking for it to continue on up. I would just wait for it to come back here, get a nice confirmation, and watch it go to and through 173.95. That's what I'd be looking for it to do. Have our breaker structure here. We have our support here. That is the wrong one. Okay, yeah. Have our support here. Yeah, I would just be patient right now. Wait for the price to pull back into that area. Watch it take off. And then, manage your risk accordingly. I know there's going to be some people try to ride the wave back down because we're looking at it's still the. I don't even want to do that. So if I do the range here, see right there, that's perfect. It's perfect to buy that at a discount. Because even if it's at the bottom of the range, it's a 61% discount. So we're half off. Yeah, that's how I would play that. I would just wait for it to hit that, get a nice confirmation, and then watch it go back the other way. And again, if we're looking at it from point of view of imbalance, when at this 1 hour, you got this whole area right here to get in. So that's trading plan for the week. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for viewing the channel. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining. Have a good one.